So today's project is doing a little flower bed in front of my kitchen window, kitchen door, and main entrance. So this really never had anything but a bunch of weeds and some potted plants. I have a couple of big rocks here that I probably gonna use it as a design element. Basically, I went to the flower store and took the professional advice of the lady in the store, and I told her kind of what I wanted. I wanted coneflower and lavender mix. I kind of like that look. I think it'll work well here. She agreed, and she kind of gave me some tips, which I'll share with you. So basically, I told her the size of the area is about 6 by 5, maybe 7, 8 by 6, around there. And she said 3 lavender plants, 3 coneflower of one color, and 3 coneflower of another color. I'll show you the tags so you could get the specific coneflower. I'm in Lower New York, and this is mid-April. Basically almost full sun, except for the early morning. And she said plant in 3s for the space. She doesn't like 2 lavenders because it doesn't look like a natural group. It'll look like 2 plants next to each other. So I bought 3 of each. Now, she suggested, and I asked the question, should I have one color coneflower with the lavender, or should I do different color coneflowers to mix it up? She said different colors is good, but she doesn't like too much contrasting colors. So basically, I got a dark purple coneflower and then a light purple coneflower. So they're in the same tone, but 2 different shades of the color. So she said to her, that looks way better, more natural. And that's what I did. So let's take a look at the tags of the actual flowers that I bought. So I got this lavender here. You take a look at that. And this will be a nice purple. Got 3 of these. They call for full sun. Got these perennial coneflowers, which is ruby stars, full sun. These I think are gonna look real nice. So now, while I like the black-eyed Susans, these look really nice. And when they contrast kind of with the coneflower there, they'll be in the same, family. So with these 2 contrasting colors, but yet in the same family, this should look real nice with the lavender backdrop. I'm also going to treat the bed with this mushroom compost, and I'm just going to throw a bag just to help out the bed a little bit, and we should be good to go. So I'm just going to crack this open and spread it out. Apparently, I can only find my flat shovels. So digging holes, you kind of want a dirt shovel, which has the pointy tip. But this is a Husky flat shovel. And let's just get this out here. All of my shoe. Okay, right there is good enough. Move this sucker there. So these are 1.72 gallon lavender plant. And let's get to digging. So I'll knock this down, roll it around a little bit, loosen it up from the pot, slide it out. Slides out pretty good. Take some dirt there, some compost. And now we got our first plant there. Now, like I mentioned, I'm following kind of like the blueprint that the lady gave me at the store. I'm planting in groups of 3s, and I kind of went with the same shade of coneflower in the groups, so I didn't put like a dark purple, light purple, dark purple, light. These back here, 3 dark purples, and these are the 3 lighter purples up in front. So this is the advice and what I did with this layout, considering what the flower girl said. Lavender, one side, one corner of the bed, plant in 3, so there goes my group of 3s. Coneflowers a little bit in front of the lavender, plant in 3s. I didn't mix up the dark and the lighter purple flowers. So I went with the darker flowers in the mid, lighter coneflowers in the foreground. Why the lavender on this side? Well, I have this detail here, which the lavender probably look against it. Over here, I have a 4-step entrance to the main house. So this will grow tall and it'll be great and it'll fit in this corner. Over here, it's a 1-2 step into the kitchen door, so it's lower entrance. So we're gonna go low flowers to high flowers, hopefully, and hopefully that makes sense. I also want to put a little space there so I could have room to work this water hose. It's an active water hose. I use it to wash the car all the time. I need to turn on the spigot here. I have a rock bed here separated, which is not clear, and I'll do an update video when I start seeing some good results.